Hey everyone, Manero here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to generate randomized color palettes that you can use for your paintings and illustrations using Procreate. So let's jump right into it. In order to achieve this, I'm going to be using my new tool called Colors, a color palette generator for Procreate. You can find it along with a free sample for you to try out on my Gumroad page through the link in the top right corner of this video or in the description below. You are probably wondering how this thing works. Colors is actually a Procreate brush set that contains 10 different brushes. You can see that the name for each brush gives you an idea of the type of color generation you can expect from each. Before doing anything else, for these brushes to work properly, we need to make sure that dynamic brush scaling is turned on in the options in the top left menu. We also need to set our primary and secondary colors to black in the color wheel. The way these brushes work is that each time we paint a stroke, they will generate a different color palette based on the different parameters each brush has. Like with any color palette generator tools, it may take a few attempts until you find a color palette you like. But since it only takes a split second to get a new one every time, it's very easy to try as much as you want. I personally like to activate Drawing Assist so that I can paint my color palettes in a straight line. Let me swatch the different brushes for you so that you can get a general idea of what type of color palettes each brush will give you. This tool comes with a quick guidebook in PDF format that contains a few tips and tricks on how to use them. Make sure to check it out. To wrap things up, I would like to show you the time lapse of 3 different illustrations I painted using color palettes generated with this tool. If you're wondering, I only used one brush for the actual painting process for all 3 illustrations, and it was the one called Burn Sponge from my latest Brushtober 2022 set. I hope you like them. I really hope you liked this video and the possibilities this new tool can open up for you. If you use my brushes or tools and post your art on social media, feel free to use the hashtag #ManeroBrushes so that I can see what you create. I will be extremely happy to share your creations with my audience. Don't forget to subscribe for more art-related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find my color palette generator for Procreate and many other sets that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.